call, which load we can see, this main program load only or subprogram?
Main only, obviously, yeah.
So in main only, inside that we can see this this subprogram load.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Surya, the default compiler is static only, na? Default compiler option. I mean that no dyno.
No. So program how you how compiler is basically configured. That's the system the process you define or system define already. In the program, you if you provide basically literals in the call, it will be our static call. Or if you provide the variable name, where we have already one variable and that has your program name, and you provide the variable name while calling, it will be a dynamic call, right?
Right.
Any other questions?
Yeah, I want to add, like, there is a mostly asking me, like, interview, search and search, or like sequential search and binary search. So better we can discuss it.
Okay, search and search all. Anyone want to take up?
Okay, so I think first thing is the table should be indexed actually for both search and search all. Table should have index, but table need not be sorted in the search. But whereas in the search all, it should be sorted. The table, yeah, that all these rows in that file. Yeah, and then
Okay, I want to add one question in here only. You are saying sorted should be, okay? So why it should be sorted?
So let me take up this question. Okay. So search is normal search. So sequence search. You have to search one by one. Okay. But in case of search all, it's a binary search. Binary search need to be sorted because it's a bubble sort kind of. You have to divide it into part first and then search in first part and then second part. So you have to sort it first, either via
Yeah,
JCL.
actually, is using mid value, like it divided two parts. So first we
Correct.
compare the mid value with the left side. Like if it is smaller, then I will search in the left half, and if it is bigger, then I will search in the right half. So
Correct.
that is the reason to be sorted.
Yes. So that's bubble sort, binary sort, right?
Yeah, correct.
And usually for search all, we usually prefer when the table size is significantly large. In that case, only we should prefer the search all. Saurabh, Surya, did you listen my last this thing? When we are going to prefer search and when search all?
Yeah, it's correct. Actually, like if the data is large in the array, so basically we will prefer binary search because it will search part, like it will divide the two halves, and accordingly in first, like it is smaller, if it will check in the first half. So if it is first in, we will get the only in the half of the time. So we will mostly prefer search all.
Yes.
Okay, the main difference is like for search, data has not to be in sorted order, but search all, it has to be in sorted order.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, that can be defined during the table creation. In that index ascending or descending, we can give it.
So what's the
That's correct.
criteria when a developer, how to choose like search or search all?
Like if it is a small data, like only 4
It
field, 5
depends
field,
on the length
so
of data.
then try only search. Like if it is a large, like only 100 items are there, and I want to search on that. Like so that time, like we can do search all. If that scenario
Okay,
is
so
for the large
table
data.
is big.
Search
Table is
all is
big.
for search all is for big tables, and search is you can use for small
Okay.
table. Yeah, search all is for binary sort. It took first off. It search for first off, and if it is not found, then it is search in second half like that. It will give faster result. That's the reason we can use big
Okay.
tables for search all.
Okay. Thank you.
So search all can be used for a multi-dimensional array.
Yeah, is it? Search all just for array, so we can do for multi-dimensional array. So like giving to ij, like for example, for two-dimensional array for searching.
I think one more difference is for searching one condition, we can use only one condition for search all, whereas for search we can use multiple conditions. Even for operators also we can use only equal for search all. I think we can use other less than or equal to or other operators we can use for search. I think that is one more difference.
Can we
Yeah.
have nested?
Correct.
Can we have
Yeah.
nested search?
Yeah. Sort of. Last question. I want to clarify one thing. So it's binary search, right? Binary search cannot be done in multidimensional array. You have to have a linear search. Okay. We will provide a details analysis on this one. Okay. Let's have next question, please.
Yes,
So I'll go with the next question. So basically, I was asked one question. Okay, there is a file which is having lots of record, and that is a dynamic file. Means the records are dynamic. It is having some junk value like dollar star or something, and then there is a valid value like I am from Hyderabad, suppose, or like, and the position is not fixed. Okay, so how you are going to remove the junk values, okay, where the position is not fixed, and how will you sort that file? That was the question I had. So
Yeah,
yeah, I am looking for the answer from you guys.
actually, I faced this question actually this question in interview. So what I give an answer, like we can use sequential search, like include condition, like we have to give the 1 to 80, one starting position 1 and length 80, then character, then sequential search equal to I am like the we have to give pass the string in character equal to I am Hyderabad. So directly it will give the that result.
No. The like I have suppose 100 records, and 100 record is having some different value. It can be I am from Hyderabad, I am from Delhi, or my country is India. Okay, so it is all the records, right? Uh, are different. Like they are not having the single string like I am from Hyderabad. It is like having that's why I told it's a dynamic file. Okay, and the position is also not fixed, and it is having some junk values before. It may be like for the first record, we may have 5 junk values, and then I am from Hyderabad. Second record, it may have 8 junk values. I don't know. Okay, it may be like that, and it will be my country is India. Okay, so the record is changing. It is not having the particular like concrete string like I am from Hyderabad or anything. It is like every time it is changing. Okay, in that scenario, I'm asking.
The scenario is like want to search that string only, right? I am from Hyderabad.
No,
The
I just
requirement.
want to remove the junk values. Okay, and string may be like the valid sentence may be anything. Okay, it may be like I am from Hyderabad. Okay, and every record,
Okay.
first record is having I am from Hyderabad. Second record is having something
Hmm.
different. My name is Keshav. Okay, like that. So in that scenario, how I am going to achieve it?
Okay. So junk value, it is defined like in what format? Tag decimal or something else like that.
Can't we use inspect statement there to find the first alphabet? varying from 1 to maybe 5, or I mean the length. Once we get the alphabet, we'll start getting that value from that particular offset.
Yeah. That may be like I'm also not sure about the answer, so I was looking for the like answers
And
from
we can also
anyone.
use if-else condition by reading all the characters one by one using perform vary.
Okay, perform vary now. Okay, my next question is, I got one interview asked me, how can you reverse a string without using it is through COBOL program, not through JCL sort utility. Reverse a string. You got my point, right?
Using inspect also we can reverse the string, right? There is a function called reverse.
Yeah, or also we can reverse by using perform varying.
Yes, perform
Perform
varying also we
varying.
can.
Yeah.
Yeah, using
Like first we need to
-1.
find
perform.
first we need to find the length of that string, and we need to perform varying WS length by
Yeah,
one by
Praveen.
one. Yeah,
That is right.
-1. Then
-1.
that way we can use.
Yes,
By -1 we can read the letter of the delta string.
right. I don't want to use any reverse function actually. So this perform very only. That's what that interviewer asked me.
Yeah, for perform varying directly you can use it. For first you need to find the length of